zaba zirishaha mushanu n'eddakiika 20 zihangwe omukuru w'ihanga yahika office z'akakiiko ka NRM ak'ebyobururu obwashagatirwe enkunzi ye Janet Kataha Museveni okwihaho empapura z'okukwatira NRM ebendera habwa president hamwe n'okuba mukuru w'ekibiina eki. Presidenti yakwasibwa empapura kuza kuzijuza kandi n'okuzigaruza ebiro 5 by'okwezi kwa mushanju omwaka ogu okuhamibwa.
You have been loyal to the constitution according to the law and according to the norms, regulations as by law established. You have kept the NRM party strong and growing in numbers.
This is a testimony that has been confirmed by the number of people who have offered to contest under NRM in the next general election.
Omukugamba kwa president yaraganitse okutungura obuhingi n'oburisa okwongera entaasya y'abantu okurabira omu programs zitari zimwe na zimwe.
And at the moment you look at yourself as an agent of ideas, not your ego, things will be very simple. When you come, for instance, to even elections, you can sit down in our area who are there. What are the issues in our area? 1, 2, 3, 4. Among us, who can push it better than the other one? It will not me, no.
President yashaba okuba obujunaanizibwa bwa buri muntu orukunda ihanga rye hamwe n'okurwanisa enguzi.
Because corruption happens where? Does it happen in Congo or does it happen here? It is here. In a parish, in a sub-county, in a town. Why do you allow it to happen? Why don't you check, ensure that the local health center is working well, the drugs are not stolen?
From day one, Nyonka gamba ngoniza kuhajira Museveni 2026 tamwejo ngwene na hatu kurangu yichiriza yasharamu yija yakira forms yaza kwesimba itwe kishemererwa munongo kityo ntumenera niki projects zatandikire na Uganda yahika twacendagaruka nyuma kandi wabitandikire n'uyatira omusinge so reka jombe kenju agishakare denu abanda banwija bijenju yahwira.
Ekibiina kya NRM kyasya abantu 25,5 abari independent 16 kandi bakirinzira abandi kwija izoba ryo rwo kubanza obarakingo kuhamya barikwenda kwesimba. Amakuru aga gashakwa Jimmy Muhumza.